Today you are going to learn more further about CSS Box Model. Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials World. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to get web development lessons daily. In our previous video, we discussed about 4 boxes inside CSS Box Model. And in this video, we are going to continue on with that subject. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link can be found in the description below. So today, we are going to add image to our web page. To do that, I have already downloaded the image from the internet. You can go ahead and use any image you want. Just make sure it copied to the website folder. So let's add the image in here. Let's add img space class equal inside double quotes. Let's define a class called CLS image. We'll create this class in a minute. And space src equal inside double quotes mention the image path. Our image is located inside the same folder. So we just need to mention the name of image. Also notice there's no closing tag to this element. Save the code and refresh the web page. There you can see we got the image right in here. Let's open our style sheet and create a new class for image element. Start with .cls image and inside the square brackets, first let's add display colon block and semicolon. Now don't worry about this display property because I will do a separate video for this display property in future. Second, add the margin hyphen left colon auto semicolon. Now that we didn't learn in our previous videos. Let's add a margin hyphen right colon auto and semicolon. Now what this auto value does is it is allowing us to center the elements. When you set the property value to auto, it will always try to center the element. And also, this is the preferred way to center the elements in CSS. Let's save the code and refresh the web page. Now, you can see our image element centered to the web page. Let's add some padding and border to this element as well. Let's add small padding with 5 pixels. And copy the border properties from this class to here. Let's save this and refresh the web page. Now you can see we got some small padding and nice border around the image element here. Okay, we'll continue this lesson to the next video. Comment if you have anything to say and subscribe to the channel to get lessons daily. I will see you guys in the next one.